you are and being yourself and being allowed to just be. So it's a basic right, and I know I'm being very serious and I should be doing Premratan Hathayo right now.
एक बात बता सोनम, अरे माइक तो दे दीजिए, आइए दौड़, अरे कोई नहीं, अपनी छे यार। एक बात बता सोनम, तुझे पता था कि आज मैं ये होस्ट करने वाली हूँ?
मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ कि आप हमारे होस्ट हैं आज।
नहीं, मैं इसलिए पूछ रही हूँ कि she only eliminates heels when she knows I'm around. Otherwise, look at her साड़ का झाड़। Dude, look at her, how gorgeous is she? Okay, fine. I won't talk about your movies, your gorgeousness, your fashionista self and everything. I will tell you something else. She has been an ally and supported LGBT rights throughout. I know this. She has spoken against Section 377 and sometimes with me on my show itself, the Indian law that criminalizes same-sex relations. And let us therefore welcome this very beautiful woman by my side, Sonam Kapoor. Yours, all yours.
I feel so much at home here. I can't explain to you. I think being yourself and being unapologetic about it is something that I've been struggling with my whole life. And being here just makes me so comfortable and so safe, like someone just put there, out there. And I'm a really bad orator, by the way. I suck at it. That's why there's always foot and mouth happening. But I'm going to quote Hillary Clinton, who gave a beautiful speech on LGBT rights very recently. And she said it's not about LGBT rights, it's about basic human rights. It's about being able to be who you are and being yourself and being allowed to just be. So it's a basic right. And I know I'm being very serious and I should be doing Premratan Hathayo right now. But I'm so honored to be here. I'm so glad that you guys invited me again. I couldn't make it last year, but I got an email from Sridharan and I was like, yes, I'm there. Just make sure I'm out. I was like, please, I need to be there. And being an artist that not many people think I am, they think I'm just a fashion person. And I'm okay with that as well. I like being dressed like this all the time. I feel most of my fans or people who follow me are either women, gay men or lesbians.
Why not? Look at you, why not?
And so if they support me, I gotta support them, dude. So I love you all so much. I'm so happy that Kashish takes place. I hope it continues on and on and on and on, and hopefully one day it's just a film festival and we don't have to call it anything but that. And hopefully one day there are no labels and everybody is just a human being and it's about humanity and it's not about gay, lesbian, transgender, transsexual, trans anything, straight, nothing. It's just a person loving another person and a person being who they want to be. And I hope that day comes. I hope one day that comes. I'm a hopeful person and I'm optimistic and I love being happy
little token of appreciation. Thank you, Sonam. You're passionate, you're lovely, you're outspoken. We love all of that about you. You're the plant and maybe some books. I'm not sure. Thank you, Sonam. We will ask you to come back to Jesse Chitman right now. Do you love Sonam Kapoor? How much do you love Sonam?
I met him. I had the pleasure of hearing him speak for Mami. I'm very excited to meet him again, but I'm here for Kashish, and I'm here because I strongly believe in what this film festival stands for. That it's basic human rights to be able to be who you are. It's not only about gay rights. So I'm happy being here. I'm here for important things, so let's just talk about that. Did I make him wait? Huh? Okay. I didn't make him wait, my car broke down.
Sonam, Sir Ian McKellen spoke about the need to get rid of Section 377.
Yeah.
What's your take on the same? Are you in consonance with him on this?
Yeah, of course I am. I think I've spoken about it on various platforms.
Sonam, he complimented you the other day at the Mami Film Fest. How do you feel about that? It was a great compliment.
I think it was a brilliant. What did he say to me? I don't remember.
He said that looking.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I guess. I don't know if it's a great part to play in that way. I don't know if he knows much of my acting, and I mean, it's a double-edged sword, no, when it comes to that. But I'm going to take it in a positive way, and hopefully I could play a Lady Macbeth one day, which was beautifully done by Tabu. बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, और I'm looking forward to watching Salman Khan on screen again. जैसे आप सब obviously 100% are looking forward to it. I hope it's another record-breaking film of his.
Also, Sir Ian said that India needs to grow up when it comes to issues like 377 and all. What do you have to say on that?
I absolutely agree with him. That's why I'm here. Like I said, it's a basic human right. It's not about being lesbian, gay, female, male, transsexual, anything. It's about being able to be who you want to be and being somebody who is just themselves. I think I've advocated that since the very beginning of my career, since I've had the opportunity to be on a public platform. And that's why last year I was trying to make it, but I was traveling, unfortunately. And this year I immediately said yes to coming here. I'm a strong believer and a strong supporter of basic human rights. Forget LGBT rights. So I think that's what this is. I think Hillary Clinton put it beautifully in a speech recently, and I'm just quoting her. Thank you.
What do you have to say about the censor board? I mean, the fact that they recently just censored the trailer of the film like Aligarh. How much room do you have with the censor board of the country? And what do you think?
Well, the very fact that they gave Neerja a youth certificate says that they're moving in the correct direction. And hopefully things are going to be changing. I'm an optimistic human being, and I love my country, and I love the people in it. And being an eternal optimist, I always hope for the best, and I believe in humanity and the fact that people are good people, and conditions and choices just make them not so great. So yeah.
There is a function in there, and there is a Bollywood family who is under investigation.
Which one?
Bachchan family.
Okay. Thank you. Why do I have to answer these questions? Peace. I'm talking about LGBT rights.
Thank you so much.